Jessica here with Bloom United, and I'm here to talk to you about mascara and an unboxing of what you will receive and how the packaging is when you receive one of your first orders. There's not a ton of stuff in here because I just ordered a few things to prep for my launch party with Maskcara at the end of the month. Here we are. It's beautiful, beautiful packaging. The iridescent, beautiful flowers right there. So yeah, here it is, guys. So this is packaged absolutely beautifully. I am not a fan of this stuff. I know it's beautiful. I know it's fun and exciting, like Fit Fab Fun has it in there. I would prefer tissue paper over crinkles, just because it's like glitter to me. It just like gets everywhere, and it's like hard to it's not hard to get up, but I can never seem to get all of it from the box to the trash can without stuff falling everywhere. But it's beautiful, right? It's gorgeous. That's the point of it. Since it says there, get out there, gorgeous. So what I received in this box, I've got a couple of new eyeshadows that fell out of this lovely packaging. That's okay. So I have received eyeshadows in the past that have been broken when I received them, but they are very easy to repair when that happens. You just push it back in the tin, and all you have to do is press it down, and it's like brand new. It's not a big deal at all. I've ordered, I had like 50 eyeshadows, and that's happened to maybe 2 of them, so the percentage is really low of things being damaged in the mail. This is my favorite. I actually got this as a separate spare color just for my customers, because I'm already starting to run a little low. This is a Lullaby. It is a beautiful, like, pinkish, purplish color. I actually have it on right now. So I ordered Lullaby. I ordered Kin. This is a new one just for me. It's like a purple pink color. I'm very into like purple and pink eyeshadows. My babies are making a lot of noise. Sorry about that. Bubba, this is just for clients for them to use because it's also their favorites, and I'm running out. And I'm very selfish with my favorite eyeshadows, so I thought I would just go ahead and get another pack of those. This one is Zion. I am new with Zion. I'm excited to try that guy out. And Sabrina. Sabrina is like my base color that I use every single day, so I got an extra one of Sabrina. So some really key eyeshadow colors that I got in this guy. Keep looking at me, and I need to look at you in the camera. And so with every order, if you buy 4 tins of eyeshadows, you get a case for free. If you buy 4 single colored tins, like your foundation, contour, any of those tins, you get 4 of them, you get a 4-pack tin case. And then it just goes up from there to like bigger cases. And the more you get, the bigger cases that you get for free. They're for free. But this is like just the cutest little compact. Please focus, camera. Please focus. Hello. Focus for me. Focus for me. There it is. Look at that beautiful compact. And I can put 4 single little eyeshadows in there. How adorable is that? And I can just... And you could actually put 2 full color tins in here as well. So like you could put your foundation color, like a blush in here, or like an illuminator if you're like just going out for the night and you need just like a little extra pop. So for me, that would definitely be like a blush in my highlight. I would want to touch up those things. I would just put it in this little compact and like slip it in my little slipper of a bag. So it's great for going out. This baby is what I have been waiting for. I actually don't know if this is available to the public, but I ordered a artist, and this is like the big baby, guys. Like this is my compact, so I'm gonna show you my butt. No, my compact's not here. But this is one of the other compacts. So this is closer to the size of like the compact that I actually use. And I ordered like the Big Girl Artist compact. Look how big this is. But I'm so excited for it because I can put all of my colors on this guy. Not for me, like all of the foundation shades for every color that you could ever possibly hope to make it imagine, for the absolute perfect color match, I can put in this guy for me. So I can just see them all on one layer and get you guys color matched like a snap. I did get a 2-layer one so that way I can put my blushes and my contours on this guy. So really, oh, look how beautiful this is. Oh, guys, so beautiful. I got the cherry one. So yeah, if you're interested in an artist compact, it's like the size of your head. A normal size compact, and this is a double-decker. This is the double-decker one. So like I have blushes in here, and I think I have some eyeshadows, yeah, on the bottom here. So this is more like a normal size compact. This one fits 6 tins, and I think for 12 eyeshadows in the double-decker guy. So yeah, friends, and every single order that you receive has a, it is fun to play with, isn't it? An instruction manual on this one because I got eyeshadows this time. I didn't get foundation tins. It shows you different eyeshadow techniques, which I'll also be showing you in other videos to break that down. So yeah, guys, there it is. There is your mascara unboxing. I got 5 eyeshadows and my Maskcara Artist compact. I'm super excited about it. So yeah, I am always here for you if you have any questions. If you need a color match to get the most perfect foundation color of this 3D foundation just for you, you can hit me up at teambloomunited.com, or if you just type in Bloom United on any social media outlet, you can find me there too. And I'll be happy to help you. Thank you all, and I will see you all very, very soon. Yes.